In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom tags in ClickUp. Welcome everyone. If you're looking to keep your tasks organized and easily searchable, adding tags is a great way to enhance your productivity within ClickUp. Tags are essentially labels you can attach to tasks, making it simple to categorize and filter them. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to head over to clickup.com in your web browser. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but assuming you're logged in, let's move on to choosing the workspace you want to enhance with tags. ClickUp allows you to create multiple workspaces, which can be great for managing different projects or teams. Make sure you select the correct workspace so that all modifications and custom tags apply to the designated area. Now that you're in the right workspace, it's time to select the tasks you're planning to tag. You'll find a list of tasks on your main dashboard or in a specific project folder. Look for the checkbox next to each task. Toggle these boxes for every task you're interested in tagging. This is crucial because selecting multiple tasks simultaneously will enable you to batch apply tags, saving you time and ensuring consistency across similar tasks. With your task selected, navigate your cursor to the tags option. It's typically found in the taskbar menu above your list of tasks. Clicking on tags will open a small field where you can add and manage your tags. The tags feature here acts like a versatile folder system, simple yet very efficient. In the tags field, type the name of the tags you wish to add. You have the freedom to create any custom tag name that best suits the organization of your project. Whether it's for priority levels, status updates, or team assignments, your tags should reflect the criteria most useful to you and your workflow process. Once typed, hit enter and voila! Your tags are created and attached to the selected tasks. Remember, these tags are now an integral part of your personal or team's organizational system. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've efficiently added custom tags to organize and streamline your task management in ClickUp. Taking advantage of tags can lead to smarter task searches and facilitate smoother project management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity.